Oh my god. So I am super excited because I have a coworker who is wanting to enhance the way she eats. She's wanted to for a long time, and she's really into healthy food altogether, and she finds herself always like falling back into eating the way she doesn't want to. So I am going to, for the next week, be bringing her plant-based meals, including breakfast. Cool thing is she is down for eating like the same thing every day like I am. So I'm just gonna make extra of whatever I bring, or bring double of what I make, which is gonna be all whole food plant-based. And we're going to report back how she feels, what she thinks, all that kind of stuff. So whole week worth of plant-based meals for someone else with a update throughout and at the end. So I'm just doing a little bit of prep work here for day one. I made some red rice, organic red rice, for our healthy starch. And of course, some veggies. So I'm gonna bring a big thing of flaxseed so we can sprinkle a teaspoon of flax in our oats, or if she wants to sprinkle it on her other meals. And then I'm also going to bring a big thing of the rolled oats. And we have my little water kettle at work. And so we can just make oats at work. Healthy, filling, gut healthy, and just oats and all the good stuff for breakfast. Okay, so it's day one. So we've got frozen broccoli. I mean, you know, the norm. I've got the red rice that I made, the oats, and when she's bringing her own container, because we're gonna do oats with my hot water kettle. And got some pears and some oranges. So, yay! I'm so excited. It's your cute bowl. We both had healthy, wholesome oats with a teaspoon of flaxseed and some fruit for breakfast. We also added a little sweetener. You ate those stupid chips.
I only ate 2.
Good for you. I'm proud of you. We're moving on to lunch, and I had my big box of Yellowbird sriracha sauce, and so I had her pick out which one she wanted to use so she could put it on her rice and her broccoli. So many flavors to choose from. Which sauce are you gonna choose?
Probably this.
All right. You'll notice her meals are looking exactly like what my meals always look like. A healthy starch, healthy veggies, a fun sauce, very little fat. Yes. Go, girl. Check this out. Look what we have. So I made us some butternut squash soup at home. It was really good. There was no oil involved in the cooking. Does it need to be heated back up? Is it? Shut up. You're all done. What if I don't like it? Does it taste? So you really like it?
No, I really do.
This wonderful company had sent me some snacking beans to try, as well as some plant-based noodles and some hummus. And so I brought these to work since she loves to eat salty things. I brought these for her to try, to maybe have her use them as a chip replacement. And she actually really liked how they tasted. And they're also oil-free as well. I made a very easy corn chowder at home as well. I will link the video above. That way you can check out the recipe. And yeah, it's very simple, but it was very, very, very good. And she loved it, and it was very comforting to her when she did eat it. It was simple. Again, I will link the recipe. That way you can try it out yourself. I just packed it in the Tupperware container and brought it to work so she could try it. And yeah. How does it feel having your life documented? Good. And we did simple but nutritious. Again, some sweet potatoes and broccoli. I just heated it all up in the microwave. She has been enjoying eating sweet potatoes and broccoli with me, which has really been cool because nobody ever eats the way I do. So it's been nice to have someone to eat with and enjoy these things with me.
So my beautiful, lovely friend Rachel, oh my god, I got a hair in my broccoli. So my lovely friend Rachel has inspired me to go plant-based. I am a week in. I have experienced wonderful digestion. Seriously wonderful. I feel light and airy. My energy is, I'd say better, honestly. I feel very fresh. And I'm saving the animals, so what can I say?
I made some whole grain waffles as well as some steamed cauliflower and packed this away and brought this for her to eat the next day for lunch. You'll notice I'm continuing to stick to starches and veggies, keeping the fat minimal, and yeah, fruit, these sorts of things. And it's worked out really well, and I'll let you find out how it went. So you were telling me something exciting has happened since you've been eating this way for the last week.
I have lost 4 pounds, 4 whole pounds in a week. That's insane.
That is by eating healthy starches, minimal fat, and tons of veggies and fruit. And you said that you feel full.
Yes, I feel full, literally full. Not groggy, not slouchy, just my belly feels full. I don't crave chips or sweets at all, really. I crave my broccoli, crunchy broccoli. It's crazy.
And are you going to continue eating like this?
Yes, 100% yes. I feel so great, light, airy, fresh, energetic, all of the above. Never felt so good.
Yay! Here you go. That was a 7-day whole food plant-based challenge. I will point out there was one day that she was off from work, and so she ate potatoes and veggies while she was at home to maintain her plant-based week-long lifestyle. So if you'd like to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this video, as it helps with my algorithm. Thank you guys so much. Now, but I'll edit out the whatever it's called. I feel like it was better in props last time. Okay. Oh. So